In the ALMEMO 500 data logger, an access point is integrated that spans a Wi-Fi network. The tablet, which serves as a control element, is connected via this network. Other devices can also be connected to the ALMEMO 500 data logger via this network. For security reasons, it makes sense to change the network key and the Wi-Fi SSID of the network. The Wi-Fi network is changed via a configuration page on the PC or tablet. The password for this configuration page can also be changed. All changes that affect the access point can be reset to the factory settings. In order to only allow authorized access to the Wi-Fi network, we will now change the Wi-Fi SSID and the network key. To do this, we first open the configuration page of the access point. We connect the ALMEMO 500 data logger to the PC using an Ethernet cable. The next steps are also possible with a connection via Wi-Fi or on the tablet. We open the Internet browser and enter the IP address of the access point in the address line of the browser. If we haven't changed the IP address yet, it is 192.168.1.1. We tap on Enter and the login window of the configuration page of the access point opens. We enter root as the username unless we have changed it beforehand. The factory set password is Ahlborn 2016. We click on Login and the configuration page of the access point opens. Now let's change the Wi-Fi SSID. We scroll down the configuration page to the section Wireless. We click on the previous Wi-Fi SSID, which is shown in blue. On the newly loaded page, we scroll down to the section Interface Configuration. In the tab General Setup, we enter the new Wi-Fi SSID in the field ESSID. As soon as we click on Save and Apply, the Wi-Fi SSID is changed and all connections to this access point are disconnected. In order to change the network key, we log into the configuration page again. We enter the address 192.168.1.1, tap on Enter, type in the username and password and click on Login. We again scroll to the section Wireless, click on the current Wi-Fi SSID and scroll down the new page to the section Interface Configuration. In the tab Wireless Security, we enter the new network key in the field Key. As soon as we click on Save and Apply, the network key is changed and all connections to this access point are disconnected. In order to restrict who can set the access point, we change the password of the configuration page. So we log into the configuration page as before. Now we click on System and on Administration. In the Router Password section, we enter the new password in the Password field and the same password in the Confirmation field to confirm it. We scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save and Apply. The password is changed. Sometimes it is necessary to reset all settings to the factory settings. First of all, we make sure that the ALMEMO 500 data logger is not connected to a PC or network via Ethernet. We press the right one of the navigation keys of the data logger until the status display shows the menu 1, Network Conf. Then we long press the right navigation button until the status display shows the menu WLAN Module. Next we press the left navigation key once to confirm with Yes. The access point is now reset. This can take a few minutes. The status display then shows press any key. Finally, we switch the data logger off and on again to restart it.